Hi, I'm Margaret, and today's recipe is a little bit of an extra. It's part of a collaboration that Ian Good has put together. If you follow the hashtag, you'll find lots of great recipes from lots of different channels. Here's a link to my homemade bread recipe. And if you make this in advance, the rest of the recipe takes no time at all. Just push the air out, make it into a long shape and cut it into 12 different pieces. Let's just flatten these out to make them into rounds. I'm using these little foil tart tins, but if you've got a shallow bun tray, that would be even easier. This camembert is one of my favourite soft cheeses, but you can use any soft cheese you like. Brie would be quite nice too. So let's cut it up into generous sized pieces. And here's something to complement the flavour. Little pomegranate seeds will give a hint of sweetness, and some red onion chutney. Now all we have to do is make them up. A little bit of onion in the bottom of each, followed by the cheese, and finally dotted with the pomegranate seeds. These take just a few minutes in the oven and they come out beautifully soft and cheesy. Perfect for a snack on game day. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to visit Ian's channel and to follow the hashtag to find lots of match day recipes. Take care, catch you soon.